Hello, welcome all. This is the second lecture in the series for Learning Excel 2016. In this lecture, I'm going to show you the UI for Excel, wherein you will be able to understand all the graphical user interface that is available in Excel 2016. So here is the menu bar for the Excel, and here we have file, home, insert, page layout, formulas, data, review, view, then Foxit is my Foxit PDF which is included over here, and this is the new feature, tell me what you want to do. Here you can have typical quick access for save, undo, redo, and this is an option to select for mouse or touch. So that gets optimized over here. Mine is touch display, so it will get optimized over here. Then this is a quick setting wherein you can add what you want to add for customized quick access toolbar. This is the custom quick access toolbar above. This is my name, Shantanu Nakate. Then if I want to share, I need to click share button. Then here is the minus sign to minimize the screen, to restore down, then close this system. So if I click file, I will get the info, basic info related to this Excel sheet. In this you have an info, we can get whether we want to protect workbook, whether we want to inspect workbook, manage workbook, then browser, view options. And these are the properties for my workbook. What is the size, what is the title, if I want to add title over here, tags, categories, and everything. Last modified, created, last printed. So author, for this I am the author. If I want to add author, I will click add author and then enter things into it. If I want to know where this file exactly is located on the system hard drive, then or where it is located, if it is on OneDrive or anything, just need to click open file location, and here it is. This is the Excel UI that is located in my PC. Okay, so we will go ahead and see other options that are available over here. A new option you can see, like we can select from predefined templates itself the direct Excel file. So let's say if I want to have a file like business analysis feature tool. Okay, let's say we go for some basic, more basic. Uh, okay, stock analysis. Okay, if I click it, then immediately this template gets downloaded, and on the screen I have business analysis feature tool tree. Now, if I say let's get started, it will start showing me about what it is. So in this, how the template behaves. So it is comparing the two symbols, Canadian Solar Inclusive and Solar City Corporation over the period of time. And if you want to click here to learn more, go here. So this is about get the details of the template, how it was built and everything. You need to visit Excel block team. So this is what the new feature first. We don't want to save it, just say don't save it. We go again back to see what we can do with open. Now with open you can have recent. In recent we have today Excel UI. Then next is the OneDrive personal, that is my personal file list over here in this PC where it is, and if I want to browse, it will open the browse window. Next is the save window. If I want to save, like I already saved it, so it's Excel UI. If I want to save it with a different file name, I need to click save as and select the particular file location. So let's say I click desktop and I select on desktop in this PC. If I go to desktop, if I select Excel UI and click save, so this will save the Excel file to my desktop. So if I say save, okay, and if you want to verify it's done, Let's go to info and select open file location. And yes, here we are with Excel UI. Okay, so next we go to print. So we have printer options. So we have a lot of printer options over here. So I've got Snagit and send to OneNote 2016 Microsoft Express. If you have a printer added to it, add the print. If you want to add the printer, you can click add the printer and select the printer, whichever one you have at your home. And these are print active sheets, so we can see about this with regard to printing, like in more details when we have some Excel sheet there and we want to select a particular space into it and then print that space only. So we will go around that a bit later in the course. If you want to share with people, then you can share it with the people using share with people, save to cloud or email. So these are the options that you have over here. So you can send it as PDF, send as an attachment. So all multiple options are available here. If you want to export it, you can export it as a PDF, change file type and everything. So if you want to publish it, then publish it to Power BI. So this is a new feature that Excel has. So more on this in detail going ahead in the course. If you want to close it, you just click the close button, it will close it. Then account. With account, you get the details about what the account looks like. So this is my name, Shantanu Nakhate, then my email address, then uh, whether we want to change office background. So there are multiple options. So if you say circuits, and you can see immediately over here that this background of circuits is added over here. And if we go to clouds, then you can see how it changes to clouds. And there are other options like say underwater. Now underwater, for us, we will click no background, and yeah, we can have no background. And it's colorful dream or dark and gray. So this is the dark and gray theme. Next is the white theme, completely white, and we will keep and stay with colorful. And then we can add service. So there are other services. Since we are connected to OneDrive personal, we can add services like images and videos, Facebook for Office, Flickr, and YouTube. Storage as OneDrive, Office 365 SharePoint, and sharing. We can share it directly on LinkedIn or Twitter. So other options are Office Update and About Excel will take you to the help file for Excel. You click options. Options will enter you into general options for Excel, and in this you can see multiple options like general, formulas, proofing, save, language, advanced, customize ribbon, quick access bar, add-ins, and center. More in detail on this, especially in upcoming lectures.